Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. To turn on this watch we need to press and hold the lower button right here and keep holding it until you see the COROS logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which will take a while. Okay, and we're in the system now. As you can see, it took it a while, but now it's turned on, and that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.